So what are the best affiliate programs for beginners who want to start affiliate marketing? What kind of products should you promote so you can make the most amount of money as easily as possible? Well, that's what I'm going to answer for you in this video right now. And don't worry, I don't have anything for sale here today. As a matter of fact, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a 100% free course that I created for you. It's going to give you 8 secrets that allowed me to make over $400,000 last year with affiliate marketing. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Brewer. I've been affiliate marketing since 2012. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. You can see some of the awards behind me, including the ClickFunnels Dream Car, Legendary Marketer Platinum Award, and the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award, which I won for generating over $1 million in affiliate sales with one affiliate funnel. So what are the best programs to promote as a beginner? Well, the answer is actually going to surprise you. But before I reveal the type of program that you want to promote, first we have to understand how affiliate marketing really works. So on the basics, right, you probably already know that affiliate marketers promote other people's products and get paid a commission. You probably, if you found this video or took interest in this video, you probably already know that. What you also might know is as affiliate marketers, we get a unique tracking link. And so when we get people to click on our unique link and then go over to a third-party product and then buy that product, right, that third-party company can then attribute or send or track, I guess I should say, track the sale to us as the referring affiliate. And when that happens, that's how we get paid a commission, right? So commissions can range anywhere from like 1% to 2% all the way up to like 70, 90, and even 100%, right? So there are some affiliate programs where you can actually get 100% of the sale. As a matter of fact, there are some affiliate programs where you can get what they call 200% of the sale. And the reason companies will do this is because they just want the customer, right? They're willing to pay us as affiliates the initial sales because that replaces their ad costs. So it's really a win-win situation. They get the customer, we get, more money than the initial sale. But beyond that, right, how do we choose the best products to promote as a beginner? Well, as a beginner, if you're going to do affiliate marketing, you're going to have to bring people to a product. And the way you do so is generally you have some sort of information about that product, right? Probably what you're going to do is you might create content like a YouTube video or a TikTok or an Instagram reel, and you might do a review of the product, right? You've probably seen these where you see people do product reviews on software or product reviews on microphones or cameras or stuff like that. And what you might not know is the reason they're doing that is because when people come to find reviews, they're kind of in the buy process, right? Like they're thinking about buying something. So if someone came to your video where you're reviewing this microphone, for example, and they were seeing you say, hey, this microphone's pretty good because, it plugs right into the computer with a USB-C. The sound is pretty good. You don't really have to do a lot to clean it up. It's not extremely expensive. It's just got a lot of great options. And if you're going to start a podcast or you're going to start a YouTube channel, I highly recommend this microphone, right? So when someone was looking to buy a microphone and they wanted a review of the Shure MV7, for example, and then they came to your video or website or whatever, and they saw your YouTube video, for example, of you reviewing that product, and they're like, oh, cool, this is a great microphone. I think I'm going to go buy. What's the most logical thing for them to do? Right? Well, the most logical thing for them to do at that point is then to find your affiliate link, which you probably have in the description of the video or in the comments or somewhere around wherever that video is hosted. Well, when they click on that link, that's going to be our affiliate link. And if they were in the buy mode and you told them about this microphone and gave a positive review, they're going to go buy the thing. And that's when you're going to get paid the commission, right? So in order to be successful with affiliate marketing, the point of that whole story is for you to understand that you have to have some sort of authority about the product that you're promoting, right? Because people really want information before they buy. And that's the bridge or the gap that you bridge as an affiliate marketer, right? You're not creating products. You're not really even creating demand necessarily. What you're doing is you're giving the information that people need for them in order to go and make the purchase. We also do it in a way that creatively gets our affiliate link right in front of them at the time they want to buy. All right, so now that we know how affiliate marketing works and how you as the affiliate fit into the whole puzzle that is the buying process, right? Then the next thing we need to decide is, okay, what's the best product to promote, right? So if you have expertise on a subject and if you have a following even, then the best product to promote is a product that is in line with your expertise or your following, right? So like if you're a fitness influencer, right, then the most logical affiliate marketing products would be things that fitness influencers use, right? Like protein supplements, creatine supplements, workout clothes, right? All those things. The problem is, at least the problem I had when I first got started with affiliate marketing, is I really didn't have like a tremendous passion with a lot of expertise. And I also didn't have a following. So what I had to do instead is kind of go an alternate route. So over the last 11 years, I've had success doing affiliate marketing a very specific way. But what's even more amazing and more relevant to you is I've seen more beginners find success following a certain model and promoting a very specific type of product than all the other products combined. And the reason I think that beginners are seeing the most amount of success with the type of product that I'm going to reveal to you in just a second, there's actually two reasons. First of all, these products that I'm going to recommend, or this type of product that I'm going to share with you, pays what is called or is known as a high ticket commission. So if I was a fitness influencer and I was recommending a protein powder that was $35, obviously the company that sells that protein powder is going to have shipping costs, and they're going to have product creation costs and all that stuff. So they can't really pay me a super huge commission. They might be able to pay me like 10%. So if I recommend one of my customers or audience members to go buy this protein powder that costs $35, right? If they buy it and that company that sells it pays me a 10% commission, that they pay me $3.50. That's not a whole lot of money, right? It takes a lot of sales to make $3.50 add up to a significant income, and it would be very hard to generate $1 million with one funnel that paid you $3.50 per customer. So instead, what I do is I promote digital products, okay? And more specifically, I promote high-ticket digital products, because digital products, they don't have any shipping costs because they're just delivered over the internet. Digital products don't have any fulfillment costs, right? Like they might have to spend money. Whoever's selling this digital product might have to spend money to create the product, but there's no real fulfillment cost, right? Like once the product's created, they can ship it to as many people as they want because it's digital, right? And they don't have to pay any more money. So what that means is these digital product companies can pay me a big commission, like 30, 40, or even 50% of the sale, because they don't have to worry about all those other hard costs when they sell something to a customer, right? Well, also, because these products can sometimes cost $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, even $5,000, I don't have to make a whole lot of sales to replace my full-time income, right? So let's say I'm promoting a $5,000 product. It's a digital product with very little fulfillment costs, and let's say that company pays me a 50% commission. That means every time I refer a customer to that product, right, then I'm going to get $2,500. So if your goal is to make, let's say, $10,000 a month, you only have to get 4 sales a month to make $2,500. That seems a lot more doable. That's only like 1 a week, right? So that's the first kind of criteria that you should be looking for if you're a beginner looking for good affiliate products to promote. The second criteria is a little bit weird. It's a little bit counterintuitive, but what this allows you to do is this allows you to actually succeed 2 times faster, and I'm going to explain why. So let's say you're going to promote a product, right? And you're going to promote a digital product, or let's say you're going to promote any product. What's the first thing that you have to do as an affiliate, right? As a marketer for this product, if you want to actually market it to people in a way that makes them want to buy, right? Well, the first thing that you should do is actually learn about the product, right? Like, how can you market a product that you don't know anything about, right? Like, imagine you walked into a car dealership and you were going to buy a brand new Mercedes, right? And what if you walked into that car dealership and you saw the Mercedes you wanted, but you hated the color of the leather, right? Like maybe it was tan leather and you wanted black leather. Well, what would happen if you walked to the salesman and said, hey, I really like this car. The outside's beautiful. I researched it. This is amazing. I want to buy it, but I don't like the tan leather. Can I get this in black leather? Now, what would happen if that salesperson at that point said, I don't know, right? Would you buy that car from him? Probably not, right? Like you'd be like, well, this guy doesn't know anything about the car. I'm not going to buy it from him. Can I see your supervisor? Or, maybe I'll go to a different Mercedes dealership, right? Because you're not going to buy something from somebody who doesn't know anything about the product. So the first thing you have to do, no matter what you're selling, doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're starting a business, you have to know the product, right? So the way that you can actually succeed 2 times faster is if you actually are a beginner affiliate, what you want to do is you want to actually go through and you want to promote a course that teaches affiliate marketing. And I know that sounds weird, but here's why. When you go through that course to actually learn the product so you can become a better marketer for that product, you're going to learn affiliate marketing, right? So it's kind of like killing two birds with one stone. Now you know affiliate marketing, you can turn around and not only use the skills that you learn, but you can also create your marketing campaigns with the knowledge of the product that you're promoting, which is really going to help you, right? You're going to become an authority on that product. So you can turn around, start marketing that product. Once again, it's digital. You're going to make high commissions, right? Once again, it's a high ticket course. So you're going to get paid $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 per sale. And you're going to do this in half the time, because if you promote anything else besides an affiliate marketing education course, right? If you promote anything else, if you promote a tennis course or a sales course or a fishing course, right? Like whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm just pulling crazy examples. The first thing you'd have to do is learn the product anyways. Well, then you'd have to turn around and then go learn how to market the product, right? So that's two steps. If you just buy the affiliate marketing course or promote an affiliate marketing course first and then turn around and promote it, you kill two birds with one stone. And that's why you see so many people having success by turning around as beginners and promoting the affiliate marketing course that they purchased. Now, luckily, at the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I have a 100% free course for you. It's called the 90-Minute Affiliate Challenge. I'll go ahead and link it down below this video in the comments or the description. And you can go over there for free. And what's going to happen here is when you go through that 90-Minute Affiliate Challenge, you're going to very quickly learn how to do the type of affiliate marketing that won me the awards that you see behind me. And what's going to happen here is you can then turn around, if you desire, you can actually promote the free course, which has unique ways for you to actually earn commissions of like $10, $15, $20, but also like $3 or $4 or even $500 just by giving away that free course. And I know that sounds confusing, but I'm telling you, this is the way that the most beginners are seeing first-time success. And once again, it's almost risk-free, because you can start with the free course, the 90-Minute Affiliate Challenge, that I have linked below this video. So hopefully you got some value here. Hopefully you appreciate the kind of transparent information that I'm bringing you on this channel. If you do appreciate this type of information, make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment letting me know that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.